Hello students, this video is of class 2. So let us start. We have three different sections in this sheet: English, Maths and EVS. We will learn about three different subjects: English, Maths and EVS. So let us start with our first subject, Maths. Write skip counting by 2. In this we have to write the skip counting. Okay, means we have to skip two numbers and after that we have to write the third number, like one has been done for you. As an example, you can see the example 7. The first number is 7 and after that the next number is written 9 means 7 के बाद हमने दो नंबर को skip किया. 8 9 ओके, उसके बाद हमने यहाँ पर 9 लिखा. Like after that 9 के बाद क्या, 11, then 13, then 15. In this way we have to skip 2 and then we have to write. So you have to skip 2 and then you will write. So the number is 18. Then you will skip 2 in this. 18, 19, 20. You will write 21 here. What you will write? You will write 21. Then again we have to skip 2. 21 is already written. The next two numbers we have to skip. 22, 23. And now we will write 24. ओके, दो नंबर्स को स्किप करना है. 24, उसके बाद 25 और 26 को स्किप करेंगे. देन वी विल राइट 27. अंडरस्टूड? इन दिस वे वी हैव टू स्किप एंड राइट. 26, यू कैन सी द थर्ड लाइन. 26 दिया हुआ है, हमें दो स्किप करना है फिर राइट करना है. 27, 28, वी विल स्किप इट एंड वी विल राइट 29. Understood? In this way we have to skip two number and in this way we will complete the counting. Skip counting by 2. You have to complete all the 8 rows in this same way. Now let's move to the next section, which is of English. Complete the sentence using was or were. What you have to do is you have to complete these sentences using was or were. We use was for the first, means for the singular subject. Okay, singular subject के लिए was use करते हैं, plural subject के लिए were use करते हैं. So according to the plural and singular subject, we have to fill was and were in these sentences. So see the first sentence. First sentence is she dash present on Tuesday. वो present means Tuesday को present थी. So यहाँ पे हम क्या fill करेंगे, was और were. We will fill was because the subject is singular. She means यहाँ पे एक लड़की की बात हो रही. So the subject is singular. That is why we will fill was. She was present on Tuesday. She was present on Tuesday. Next sentence. They dash present there. वो वहाँ पे present थे. They dash present there. They. With they we will use were. Why? Because it is a plural subject. As it is a plural subject, we will use the plural verb were. W-E-R-E. Were. What we will use? We will use were with the plural subject. They. T-H-E-Y. They. They were present there. They were present there. See the next sentence. Ravi dash at the park. Ravi dash at the park. Ravi park में था. So Ravi is a singular subject. That is why we will use was. W-A-S. Was. Ravi was at the park. Ravi was at the park. We dash at home in the afternoon. हम दोपहर में घर पे थे. Okay, हम आफ्टरनून में घर पे थे. So in this we is a plural subject. It is a plural subject. So that is why we will use were. इसके we के साथ हम were का यूज करेंगे. We were at home in the afternoon. We were at home in the afternoon. Understood? In this way, we have to complete these sentences using was or were. Was and were are the linking verbs for past tense. Okay, past tense में यूज होने वाले linking verbs हैं. Now, let's move to the last section, which is of EVS. This EVS section is divided into two questions. We have two questions in this. The first question is fill in the blanks. In the first question, some helping words are given and we have to use these helping words and fill these sentences. In helping words के help से हमें sentence को fill up करना है. The first sentence is we should drink dash water. Means हमें कैसा पानी पीना चाहिए? Clean water. We should drink clean water. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Clean water. We should drink clean water. Dash is the main source of water. Means water means पानी. पानी का main source means जहाँ से पानी आता है. Main source. What is the main source? Rain. Okay, rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Dash is the frozen form of water. Means frozen means which is freeze, जो जमा हुआ form होता है. That is ice. Ice is the frozen form of water. Ice is the frozen form of water. I-C-E. Ice. Ice is the frozen form of water. Water is dash for us. Water हमारे लिए क्या है? Important है, essential है. Water is important for us. Water is important for us. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Water is important for us. We need water to live. We need water to live and we need water every day. We need water every day. हमें पानी क्यों रोज चाहिए ना? Why? Because it is very essential for our survival. Okay, हमारे survival के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा essential water है. That is why we need water every day. E-V-E-R-Y-D-A-Y. Every day. We need water every day. We should not waste water. हमें पानी को बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? We should not waste water. W-A-S-T-E. Waste. We should not waste water. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. We cannot survive without water. L-I-V-E. Live. S-U-R-V-I-V-E. Survive. We cannot live without water because it is very essential for our living. So this was all fill in the blanks which we have done. See the next question. The last question is list 5 uses of water. In this we have to list 5 uses. Means पानी के 5 यूज़, पानी को हम किस तरीके से यूज़ करते हैं उनमें से कोई 5 यूजेस हमें यहाँ पर राइट करने हैं. लाइक बाथिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, for making food, for flowering, means for शावरिंग मीन्स और किसके लिए, और पौधों को पानी देने के लिए, पीने के लिए, नहाने के लिए, व्हीकल्स को साफ करने के लिए, क्रॉप्स को पानी देने के लिए. For all these things, water is very essential. For bathing, for drinking, washing, cooking, for all these things, water is very essential. And in this way, we use water. So you have to write any 5 uses of water. कि पानी को आप किस तरीके से यूज़ करते हैं, ये आपको लिखना है. So this was all about today's sheet. If you still have any kind of question, any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.